In this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Sheets for beginners. First, you need to go to your Google and tap this one here, this icon, and then scroll down and kind of click Sheets over here. So this is the Google Sheets. Now, if you're going to click this one, it will take you directly to this. You have your choices here. All you have to do is to click this plus icon here. It means you're creating a new blank page. Also, you can go to your Google Drive and then select this part here and click Google Sheets, and you can make a new or blank page for Google Sheets. So it is very easy to use this Google Sheets for beginners. First, you have to explore here. Explore Google Sheets in order for you to have knowledge a bit on how to use this one. So as you can see here, aside from the blank new page, you can also use the following. For example, we have annual budget tracker. You can easily click this one and the Google Sheet has made it easier for you to track everything. For example, for expenses, you can edit the following here. Okay, that's for expenses. And we have also for income. So you can just edit everything here, the words, the amount. So Google Sheets made it easier for you. All you have to do is to edit. Okay, so you can just easily use this one. Now, if you go back to your Google Sheets, in order for you to create something, you just have to click the boxes. Or let's just say I'm going to create three new Google Sheets, files. So all I have to do is to click this one here. You can also copy, you just have to click duplicate, and then you can have this three Google Sheets here. So if you're going to click this one, or if you're going to click each, then it will take you to Google Sheets differently and in different files. Okay, you can also rename, you can edit, you can copy. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Now, if I'm going to import a file, all I have to do is to go to this part, click the file here, and import any links, any files here that you can use in your Google Sheet. So all you have to do is to browse the file. You can go to your desktop, documents, local disk, something like that. Click open, and then you can import the file here. Also, you can just easily click the options here like share, email, download, rename, move, and so on. That's how easy it is. Okay, so to start, you can also add columns, you can add some rows, you can add some charts in order for you to proceed or in order for you to start your file or project. Okay, so create table, everything is up to you. Now you can just add or type any words here, any numbers, everything is up to you. It depends on the project that you're doing or the file that you're making. For me, you can just add numbers here. Now, in order for you to not to get distracted or to focus or not to get or to avoid any problems when it comes to your Google Sheet, you can actually customize everything here with colors. You can customize with fonts so that it would be easier for you to create or to know the differences of your project or your file or your documents in short. So that's it. You can customize with colors, something like that. You can copy, you can paste anywhere here. Okay. Also, you can add some, like what I have said earlier, columns and rows if you want. And aside from that, you can also copy paste a link here. All you have to do is to click insert and then paste a link. For example, I am going to use this link. So all I have to do is to copy and paste it right here, click apply. Then you can see the link right here. As easy as that. If you use that for your document or your files. Also, you can add some charts here if you are making something or if you're going to present something on a meeting or your school or whatsoever, then you can just insert a chart here. Now you can explore Google Sheets for you to know more. It's very easy. With the help of this Google Sheets tutorial, you can progress from being a complete novice or basic under or user to an assured knowledgeable user at an intermediate level. Google Sheet is a remarkably effective tool for virtually any activity involving the capture and analysis of data. This includes digital marketing, financial modeling, project management, and statistical analysis. So I hope this one helped. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and see you in our next video tutorials.